Hey everyone, look what I did. Yep, I was able to empty even more products for the month of November 2023. If you love watching people do empties videos, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. All right, for me, I am shocked. My first year of filming on YouTube, I think I did one empties video in December for the entire year. And this year, I was able to do an empties video every single month. Well, fingers crossed. One more month left in the year. But once I started focusing in on being able to do an empties video, it really helps to get some empties, because before I would just bounce around products, and now I try to use the same product over and over until I hit empty, which helps me get to the empty, but it also helps me form a really good opinion. All right, let's talk about the first item, which isn't beauty, but I did empty it. This here is the Glade room spray in the scent Bubbly Berry Splash. This smells so good. I don't think, yeah, it's just air. But it smells like sweet berry candy or something. I don't know. It smelled really good. I enjoyed it. I would definitely give that a repurchase. All right, the next product is for the hair. This here is Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Texturizing Dry Shampoo. I picked this up off of Amazon. It was a 2-pack, and I just emptied the first one, which is quite large. It's 7 ounces or 198 grams. I only use dry shampoo on the days I don't wash my hair. It's just spraying out air. But this smells really nice. It does have a slight white cast. So if you aren't blonde or have light hair, I would maybe skip this one. I don't mind a slight white cast because it actually, once you kind of rub it in, it goes away. But it also kind of lightens my hair slightly, which I enjoy. But if you have darker hair, you're probably not going to enjoy that. All right, next item is makeup adjacent. This here is from LANCôME. This is the Bi-Facil Double Action Eye Makeup Remover. I love this product. I only wear waterproof mascara, and this here is my go-to product for removing my mascara. What I love about it is the top has this little tiny hole, which is perfect to poke in a Q-tip because you use the tiniest amount. First off, Bi-Facil just means it's double phased, so there is a little oil and water type ingredients, so you have to shake it up, and then you stick your Q-tip in, just dab it, and then start taking off your mascara. This, I want to say, lasted at least a year, possibly a little longer. I picked this up 2021 fall Ulta sale, possibly. It's been a while, and they were like 50% off. I have not seen these in that sale since then. I just opened the second one, so I will have it for quite some time. But I'm going to keep my eye out for the LANCôME sale because these are pricey, but worth it. You know, I definitely would repurchase them again. Just, I would look for a sale. All right. Also in the realm of kind of makeup removal, we have from Neutragena the Makeup Remover Ultra Soft Cleansing Towelettes. These were in a big box I got from Costco. They were nice, lovely. They work lazy girl style to take off that first wash of makeup, and then I go in with a micellar water. I would definitely repurchase. Okay, so I finally put this in an empties. This here is from Moira. If you follow me, thank you. If you're new, feel free to subscribe. This is the Micro Tip Liquid Liner, which I've used in numerous videos. This was only $6. I think I might have got it on sale for $6. Has a roller ball. It is lovely. It's just starting to dry out a little bit. I mean, I could probably milk it even longer, but it's, you know, it was $6. Time to say goodbye. I would definitely repurchase. And for $6, this is a brush tip and not a felt tip. All right, this next product, I'm very sad because it was one of my favorite lip glosses. More for the shade, but the formula was nice. This here is from Milani, and it's the Keep It Full. This is in the shade 107 Almost Natural. It's that classic kind of I call classic for me. This kind of ballet slipper pink. I was barely able to scrape any out. It's right there. Let me see if I can get any to go on my lips. Here is the packaging problem. So it looks like there's a good 1/2 inch at the bottom, but the doe foot doesn't reach down, and it's like a waste of product. It's annoying because you feel like you can scrape it out, but it just, you know, after twirling it for way longer than one should, no products coming out. But let me see if, okay, there it's coming out a little bit. It's super light, which I really enjoy. I'm sure a lot of you will be like, no, that washes me out. I love that shade. So I'm definitely going to have to pick this up again, mainly for the shade. I say that it's very comfortable. It has a slight peppermint or minty flavor, which is okay, but when I put my lip product on and then I drink coffee, it's just not my jam to have a minty flavor. It's not overpowering. I'm sure a lot of you would love it. It's not horrible. It's just I'm more into the either no flavor or to taste and smell like vanilla or cake batter over mint. Although I will take mint over disgusting chemical or cinnamon or, God forbid, rose. I also used up this lip oil from a brand called Lauren's. This is the strawberry fruit lip oil. I want to say this came in an Ipsy. The problem with this one, first of all, it was comfortable on the lips. It smelled really good. But I burned through this in like less than 2 weeks. The bottle is a little small, but the doe foot is super like chunky and fat, which is awesome. But when you put this in the bottle, there wasn't a lot of product. So it's like deceiving. You're like, oh, that looks nice. But it just didn't hold a lot of product. So I definitely wouldn't repurchase it because I'm sure the value isn't there. I would much rather get another Yummy Gloss from CoverGirl over this one. Now, this product isn't used up, but it's gonna be gone. This is from Colourpop, and it's so juicy. The color's nice, the formula's nice. What I do not like about this one whatsoever is talk about overpowering minty flavor. So this, I would almost say, is like a plumping gloss. I don't know that they advertise it, and I'm a wimp when it comes to plumping glosses, but this one, you put it on your lips and literally you can eat, you can drink, like 2 hours will go by and my lips still feel like, I don't want to say burning, but you can still feel a tingle of mintiness. So if you love and enjoy a plumping sensation to last for a really long time, next time you do a Colourpop haul, stock up. I do not like this at all. So I'm just gonna say adios and move along to the last 2 products, which is skincare. All right, so this little cream product, I want to say I got Yes Style. This is from TONYMOLY, and it's the Scent of the Day hand cream. This was okay. If you don't like florals, you would not like this. It's very strongly floral, which was okay. Was it my favorite? No, but obviously it wasn't too obnoxious where I couldn't use this up. The hand cream itself was, I'll just put it like this. I've tried way worse and I've tried way better. It was kind of middle of the road, so I probably would pass on it. But the size was nice to toss in my bag, and I used it every day at work. All right, and then this last product, I'm super sad, is used up and gone. This here is from Purley's. It's the Blue Lotus 4-in-1 I Adore Serum. Okay, first off, this eye serum, I don't know if there's any left because I tried to get every last squirt out. It's the formula I like. It's literally like a serum. It's more like a gel. Come on, nothing's gonna come out. It's like a gel cream and not white, thicker cream. I like a gel cream because it sinks into my skin really well and doesn't cause milia. I would use this morning and night. I would definitely repurchase this. I want to say this was an add-on possibly from Ipsy. I will have to keep an eye out. If you see it, please send me an email. I love this. All right, that is everything that emptied in the month of November 2023. Let me know if you have tried any of these products, and if you have, if you share the same thoughts as I do. It's okay if we disagree because we are different people and everyone's allowed to have their own opinion. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.